Siri is dead. Apple just killed her and replaced her with something far more powerful. It's called Apple Intelligence, and it might just change everything you know about iPhones. At WWDC 2025, Apple shocked the world. Not with a new iPhone, not with a new MacBook, but with something much bigger, artificial intelligence built directly into your iPhone. They're calling it Apple Intelligence. And no, it's not just a rebranded Siri. It's Apple's version of AI, and it's powered by ChatGPT-4o, the most advanced AI on the planet right now. Siri is finally being replaced. Apple is officially partnering with OpenAI, and that means your iPhone can now understand your messages, summarize your emails, rewrite your documents, even generate smart replies like a human. And it's not just text. Apple's AI is now multimodal, meaning it can see images, understand the screen you're looking at, and help you in real time. For example, take a photo of a handwritten note, and it can turn it into a perfectly formatted email in seconds. Imagine this: you're texting your boss. You're not sure how to sound professional. Now your iPhone suggests 3 rewritten messages, 1 casual, 1 formal, and 1 short and direct. Just tap and send. That's it. And here's the part Apple is doubling down on: privacy. While companies like Google and Microsoft process your data in the cloud, Apple promises that most of the AI tasks will run on your device. No internet needed, no data collection, no creepy tracking. That's huge. But not everyone's happy. Elon Musk, yes, Elon posted on X Twitter, if Apple integrates OpenAI into their operating system, all Apple devices will be banned from my companies. He's claiming that Apple has no clue what OpenAI's code is doing behind the scenes. Drama aside, here's the truth: Apple Intelligence is only coming to newer devices. That means you'll need an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or newer, or a device with an M1 chip or later, like recent iPads and Macs. And it's launching with iOS 18, bringing a redesigned interface, smarter suggestions, better writing tools, and deeper personalization than ever before. This is not just an update. It's a shift in how we interact with our devices. For years, the iPhone has been a tool. Now, it's becoming an assistant. A smart, context-aware, privacy-focused assistant that learns from you and works for you. So the big question is Apple too late to the AI game? Or are they about to change the rules entirely? Because one thing is clear: this isn't Siri anymore. This is Apple Intelligence. If you're excited, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, are you ready to upgrade? Or will you wait and see?